What's up, guys? Now I must look at the camera. Okay.
No, I must go lower. Hey, does it look like a decent dab? Yeah. No, I must go lower. Time to crack. So for the seat, you want to see? You're supposed to go in there. Now there are two kinds of people in this world, and one has got a. Let me just phrases. Now, I'm not going to name and shame these people.
Ow! Ow! Fuck! Hey, now! Oh! Ow!
Oh, John, I know we said we... Nah. I'm gonna run past the camera like a dumb lunatic. Yeah, it is a big thing. Relax, okay? Well, thanks. Oh, I'll do that once more. Okay. The car is built by my friend Mark Sloten from Sloten. On this episode, we are going to... Unskill! Fuckers. Okay, Ken, this is my job, people. This is my job. Huh? I'll grow my own beard, thank you. Just quickly give me a hand, please.
Also, head over to Fuel Garage, check us out over there. Don't forget to subscribe over there where you can see more of this very beautiful face. Don't forget to hit this. Fuck, hit the subscribe. Well, thanks for popping by. Thanks for popping by. We really hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more of this, don't forget to hit like on this video and subscribe in that corner right down there. It's right there. It's easy. Very, very easy. Oh, damn, you are so beautiful. You always do the ha thing. That's Mark doing this because I could
do like a whole Blair Witch project with a snot hanging. Fucking load shedding.
Well, there you got it. A car that was a little bit close to my... No, it's a Bolt. Well, there you got it. A Bolt that was a little bit close to my heart. But yeah. So thanks for popping in, guys. This build was fun, close to... No. Thanks for popping in, guys. This build was very close to my heart and quite fun to do, if I might say so. No. What's... Hey, shut the... Just shush. Shut up. Shut up. Pulani, shut up. What's up, guys? Swap to the other birds. On this episode right here, I'm going to be showing you something. No, I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be doing something. Just got to do the steering rack. Did he set the power? Did they go load shedding? It's come! Ah!
Nobody challenges me. Now I can weld a fart to a rainbow. Now I can weld a fart Now I can weld a fart to a rainbow. Now last week, I got challenged to weld two pieces of Stanley blades together. Not pieces of Stanley blades, just Stanley blades. I'm not gonna name and shame these people, although I know you want me to know. Okay, stop. Fuck, this light makes my teeth look yellow. Huh? Teeth aren't that yellow. Focus on my face. Well, the head is in. No, look at the fucking lens, Phil. Now it's time to build an exhaust system. Thanks very much for popping by, guys. Thanks very much for popping by, guys. Please don't forget to. Huh? Is it recording? Good. Okay. My eyes! I got over them! What's up, guys? Phil here. We are going to expose the nincompoops. Need to do spirit fingers. I'm gonna do spirit fingers. Spirit fingers. Gonna do okay. This car is built by my good friend Mark Slurton at.
And then I want to do like a quick, like a and then
Okay, alright. When you're ready?
recording.
Yeah.
Wait now, you're gonna make me laugh and I need to concentrate because you can't have emotions when you do the floss. And I'm gonna fuck it up. Luckily I'm gonna be like 1 second long. Wait. But it's recording.